What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jasmy, which is again pumping up in value, just about 8% up in the last 24 hours, nothing major, and is currently trading at 0.006427 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep increasing in value at a slow and steady pace? As you guys can see, over the week it's been quite volatile with a little bit of a drop over the last 2 to 3 days. The crypto market has been a bit shaky over the last few days, but today it is slowly starting to pick up again, and over the month it is 30% up. So what can we expect from Jasmy for the rest of the year and going into 2024? Is this a crypto worth investing into, or should you step away from it and put your money elsewhere? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and looking at his predictions as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple. However, it is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? So the blue line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Jasmy? So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, Jasmy should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Nothing too crazy, just about 0.0066 to 0.0067 cents, somewhere around that price target is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at. However, do expect red candles in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip, a little bit of a step back, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So yes guys, do expect an overall minimal increase in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? In this case, guys, we're looking quite similar to the previous chart, but well, the blue line keeps switching from bullish to bearish. Right now it is looking quite bearish, and the orange line is clearly looking bearish as well. So essentially what we have is two lines going in the negative direction, looking quite bearish. So an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid to end of next week, Jasmy should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down below 0.0062 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, that's not a major drop or anything like that, but in between that time, over the next couple of days and early next week, I am expecting Jasmy to be hitting green candles, pumping up in value before it slowly starts to drop back down by mid to end of next week below 0.0062 cents is what I'm expecting. So again, as you guys can see, that's not a major drop, it is going to be a minimal drop in value. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we have taken a complete U-turn. We've got the blue and the orange line both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So in this case, an overall increase in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So mid to late February 2024, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Jasmy, and nearing the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting. If we give it enough time, about 2.5 months time, I'm expecting Jasmy to be getting very close to the 1 cent target, and even potentially hitting the 1 cent target in the first quarter of 2024, Of course, depending on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs as well, as I'm expecting Bitcoin to go for a price correction over the next week or two and then pump up to about $45,000 in Q1 of 2024 as well, which should essentially have a positive impact on the crypto market, which of course involves Jasmy as well, near about a 1 cent target. However, if there are any major changes to that, either in a positive or negative direction, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 56% in the last 24 hours, making it $53 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading as it is gaining value right now. We're seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. A lot more people are also buying the crypto, and a lot of people are also seeing profits and selling their cryptos as well. So that's why it is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype from both buyers and sellers point of view. So for those of you asking me, would I buy the crypto right now or would I sell it? First of all, no, I wouldn't buy it. Only reason is I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming week or two before it pumps back up in value. So essentially it wouldn't make sense for me to invest into it right now, and even if it does drop, I wouldn't invest into it. Reason is I have a maximum buying price for cryptos that I'm into, and my maximum buying price for Jasmy is way lower than where it is at the moment. So yeah, there's no even point discussing that. However, from the seller's point of view, would I sell it right now? Yes, I would, only if I was on a profit, but I wouldn't sell all of it. If I had $1,000 invested into Jasmy right now, I would probably take out about 40% of it, so about $400 worth. So take out some profit and keep the remaining 60% invested into Jasmy going into 2024, 2025. Over the long term, I keep hold on to it, and at some point, if it does manage to drop all the way back down to somewhere around this price range here, then I will of course be investing into it. But yeah, at the moment, that's what I would do. Comment down below what you guys would do. Would you buy it? Would you sell it? Or would you step back and just hold on to it? Comment down below and let me know what is the highest figure you guys are expecting Jasmy to hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.